G'day guys, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light and service warning on your Mazda 3. So this is a 2020 model, so let's get stuck into it. So the first thing we need to do is come over to the central display here. We're going to hit the home button to navigate back to the home menu. Then we're going to use the dial here to select information, vehicle status monitor. So we can come down here to vehicle maintenance settings, and then we'll go our service date. We'll set that to 2025, second month and 8th day. Yep, we can go back there, back again. We'll go down to our service distance, so 10,000 Ks is all good, and we'll just go down to reset the oil change distance. So we'll go reset. You can see that's reset the data for our oil change distance, and now our service light is gone over here. So the first thing we need to do is set the date. Then we come down and we can reset the oil change distance. So there you go guys, that's how you reset the service light on your Mazda 3. If this video helps you reset your service light, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.